Ever wondered how to make a week's worth of healthy meals in one go? Well, ponder no more. Today, we're exploring the enticing world of healthy meal prep ideas that will set you up for a nutritious and delicious week ahead. First off, let's shed some light on our star ingredients. Essential for any healthy meal prep are lean proteins, whole grains, and a vibrant array of vegetables. Begin by preparing a batch of your chosen whole grain, be it quinoa or brown rice. Following this, it's time to roast either chicken breasts or tofu for your protein source. And of course, we mustn't overlook the vegetables. Chop up a variety of veggies such as bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. Now comes the exciting part, assembling our meals. Reach for your meal prep containers and start layering in the grains, protein, and veggies. To ramp up the flavor and keep you feeling full, add in some healthy fats like avocado or nuts. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Observe the colorful and balanced meals you've created. Having these meals prepped and ready to go will turn healthy eating throughout the week from a chore into a delight. However, there are a few tips and tricks to make your meal prep journey even smoother. Tip 1. Keep an eye on portion control. Use smaller containers or dividers to help manage portion sizes and prevent overeating. Tip 2. Simplicity is key. Choose recipes that are straightforward to prepare and can be made in bulk to save yourself time. Tip 3. Stay organized. Investing in a meal prep bag or microwave-safe containers that are easy to transport can make all the difference. And just like that, you've got a treasure trove of healthy meal prep ideas to fuel your week. So, go ahead and try these out, and remember, healthy doesn't have to mean boring. Until next time, keep exploring the world of nutritious and delicious meal prep.